Hi creators, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the common WordPress error message cannot modify header information headers already sent. That cannot modify header information headers already sent error in WordPress occurs when there is an output like whitespace, HTML, or any other content before the header is sent to the browser. This error can be caused by various reasons such as whitespace before the opening PHP tag or in the plugin files, theme functions, or even the WordPress core files. Here are some steps you can follow to solve this error. First, check for any whitespace before the opening PHP tag in your themes functions.php file, as this is a common cause of the error. Remove any whitespace before the opening PHP tag. Second way is to disable all plugins and see if the error goes away. If it does, enable your plugins one by one until the error reappears. This will help you determine which plugin is causing the error. Once you have identified the plugin, you can either deactivate it or contact the plugin developer for support. If the error still persists, try switching to a default WordPress theme like 2021 to see if the error goes away. If it does, then the issue is likely with your theme, and you may need to contact the theme developer for support. You can also try increasing the PHP memory limit in your php.ini file or .taxs file. Add the following code to your wp-config.php file. Hopefully, one of these steps will help you resolve the cannot modify header information headers already sent error in WordPress. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this tutorial is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more videos related to WordPress errors.